I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go.
Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a tailored life. My name is Taylor, and in today's video we are going to be doing a 4th of July themed clean and decorate with me. I'm not going to decorate my whole house, but I am going to do my dining room table, and I'm also going to show you some really delicious recipes for some treats that you could take to a 4th of July party, whether it's inside or outside. These treats are really good and great for cooling everyone down. But even if you're not going to a 4th of July event, these are just great year-round and fun for this summertime. So make sure you stay tuned at the end for that. Now, if you're not new to my channel, then you know I'm a stay-at-home mom and I have 2 boys, so my house is always a mess. So before I start making those treats, I just want to do a quick tidy up in our family room, dining room, and kitchen area so I have a clean space to work with, because there's a lot of mess going on right now. So let's go ahead and get started.
I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up.
I like to start cleaning in the family room area because this is just the easiest room to clean. It's usually really messy because we spend a lot of time here, but a lot of the things in this area have a home that are easy to put back, like shoes or little things that the boys play with that easily have a place that I can put them away. But I want to try to start to change this. So I always start in the family room. But I remember when I was working, one of my things that I used to say to myself all the time was to swallow the frog. It was something that our CEO would tell us about the day. If you tackle your hardest project first, it'll help you get things done a lot faster. And once you get that out of your way, you're usually a lot more productive. And for me, that's the kitchen. So I usually put that off until the last thing. Well, the kitchen or laundry, I put those off. In laundry, I don't mind putting it off because it's usually washing while I'm cleaning everything else. But the kitchen is like my least favorite thing to clean. So moving forward, I'm gonna try to start cleaning there first. But you all let me know in the comments, what's your frog? What is the one thing in the house that you hate to clean and you're always putting it off? What is your swallow the frog?
Baby, without I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you.
So a lot of times when I'm cleaning, I love to listen to audiobooks. It helps the time pass so fast, and I've been looking for different books. I love reading like thriller and mystery books. So if you all are into books, like, please let me know, give me some suggestions. Right now I'm currently listening to The Perfect House, and I actually really like it so far. Like, it started off like right out the gate, like the introduction was really catching and really good.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down.
would love to hear what everyone's plans are for the 4th. If you're new to my channel, you may not know this, but I live in South Florida, so it's very hot here. We've been in summer since about April, and 4th of July is just really, really hot for us. So my family, we're probably going to hang out in the house most of the day, and then in the evenings we love to go out. We have a fire pit, we do s'mores, my husband grills, and we live near the downtown area of our city, so we can easily see the fireworks all around the city from our home. It's really nice. Like, we always enjoy it with the kids, but if it's too warm or if there are too many mosquitoes, sometimes what we'll do is we'll get in our car and find a really good spot where we can watch the fireworks, and we sit in the car with the AC on so that the kids can enjoy it without any problems, and we go back home and just have a really good night. But I love the 4th here. It's just always so much fun.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to.
Okay, so now it's all tidy in here, and I feel like I have a clean space to work with. So now we're going to start making our 4th of July treats, and the first one is going to be strawberry shortcake in a cup. So this is going to be really easy to make, and you can make it with or without blueberries to give it that really red, white, and blue look. So let's go ahead and get started with that one first. So to get started with this, I used about 4 or 5 strawberries for this. Depending on the size of the strawberry, you can decide, also depending on the size of the cup. This cup with the blue rim I actually found at HomeGoods. It was a pack of 4, and I thought it was perfect for the 4th of July. And you can use any type of pound cake that you like and any strawberry jam or preserve that you like. It makes it just a really nice glazed and sugary taste to the strawberry, so it's not very tart. And also, if you want it to last longer, I would suggest using Cool Whip over whipped cream. I just use whipped cream because usually when I make this, my family eats it right away, and my son really likes whipped cream. He actually likes to spray it more than he likes to eat it, but it was just on hand for me. But whipped cream is, Cool Whip is an option.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let
shortcake, we're gonna go ahead and make our American flag platter. This is so delicious and probably the easiest one to make. All you need is a really nice rectangular dish. You can do this even in a square dish if you'd like. It's super easy, so let's go ahead and get started. So for this recipe, you're gonna need to cut your strawberries into quarters. That just makes it really easy for them to lay. I did 1 row of strawberries, but if you'd like your flag to have stripes that are a little bit thicker, you could actually just line up 2 slices of strawberries together, or 3, however thick you would like it to be if you're doing it on a bigger platter or anything like that, to make them as wide as the flips. As you'll see for mine, I did only 1 row of strawberries, and my red stripes look a little bit thinner than my white stripes, but I was okay with that because I knew how much my family would eat and how many strawberries my kids would eat, especially with the other things that we were eating that day. And if you would really like to turn up the look of this a little bit more, once you put your blueberries down, if you could find some star-shaped sprinkles, that would make it look so good. Fortunately for me, because I did mine on a white dish, you could kind of see the white peeking through between the blueberries. But if I had some star-shaped, say that 3 times fast, sprinkles, I feel like it would look a lot better. So on the day of 4th of July, I think I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby to see if I can find some, just to make this look a lot cuter.
Into my heart I cannot lie. Stars, made of stars, up above, made to fall. Stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier.
And our last treat is going to be a strawberry shortcake with blueberries, but without the cup. We're just gonna make this straight onto a strawberry shortcake little cake. It's really easy to make. This is something that would also be really fun to do with the kids. So let's get started.
I'm going for the gold.
So I'm just gonna dice these strawberries up really small so that they fit into the little cakes really well. But once I put them on, I am going to make sure that you can see the red all around from every angle before I put the whipped cream on, so that you can see the red in the red, white, and blue.
I got a new friend in my life that is perfect, and you're no longer.
You could also put these strawberries in the strawberry jam or preserve like the last strawberry shortcake, but this one, I didn't want it to be as sweet. I wanted it to be more of a refreshing treat than like a dessert treat. So this would also be really good for a brunch as well.
I'll be fine and you'll be gone when nothing's like home.
Now we are going to put some decor on the table. I picked up this really pretty table runner from HomeGoods, and I just wanted to add some roses to kind of add to that red look. I didn't want to do a lot of decor because I still had up my lemons from my summer decorate with me video, and I thought this was definitely more than enough just to kind of set up the table to serve food on a 4th of July if you're having a party, or if it's just you and your family at home celebrating. This is just really easy and simple to do.
Dreams of green and filled with this. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home?
Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you like cleaning videos, homemaking videos, please go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you are new here, please make sure you introduce yourself down in the comments. I love getting to know everyone, and I really hope you all enjoyed these cool recipes. I hope everyone has a really fun summer and a really fun 4th of July, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!